Hello all, in this video we will see how a ternary operator is used in Python. For example, let us assume we have two numbers. Okay, num1 is equal to 7, num2 is equal to 8. We know, right? No need to mention the data type in Python. Okay, so now let us try to calculate the max number. Okay, uh, is equal to num1 if num1 is greater than num2, else, okay, num2. Okay, so what we are doing is we are trying to identify the maximum number by using a if statement in a single line rather than using if and else in multiple lines using this ternary operator. And we are assigning number num1 if num1 is greater than num2, else that means num1 is not greater than num2, that means num2 is the greater number, and we'll assign max underscore num with num2. Okay, so now let us try to print of max underscore num. Okay, so now let us try to run this, and you can see here the maximum number got assigned. So a simple ternary operator and which is used to calculate the maximum number.